Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and welcome to the first Food Pantry haul of December, holiday style. Ho, ho, ho. No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.
All right, let's see what I got from the Food Pantry today. It's some good holiday food items. You will be surprised at how much I got. We are going to start from the left to the right. Okay, check it out. I have 3 cans of cut green beans. Love these. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to make. We already know what I'm going to make for the holidays. And then I got 3 cans of corn, 2 cream style, 1 whole kernel corn. My sister makes a wonderful corn pudding. It is wonderful, delicious. I'm going to have her make that for the holidays. As you know, I'm making spaghetti, so I got some low sodium spaghetti sauce. Thank goodness. And some no salt added diced tomatoes. So that's going to be in my spaghetti. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Then I got some collard greens in a can, some black eyed peas. I got some more pumpkin so I can make my pumpkin soup. I got the wonderful cano beef. Everybody loves this stuff. It is so versatile. You can make lots of things. Nachos, sliders, all kinds of stuff. Stews, yes. Then I got 3 cans of soup. Cream of mushroom, tomato, low sodium, my favorite. Oh, by the way, this is Healthy Request, which has less sodium. Then we've got the cream of chicken. So I can use this, the cream of mushroom, and the cream of chicken to do a green bean casserole for Christmas. Absolutely. Got some jellied cranberry sauce, my favorite. And I've got some peanut butter. Then we've even got a little seafood section over here. Red sockeye salmon. Oh, you know what would be different for Christmas? To do a seafood dinner. You could do some seafood cakes. That would be great. Then we've got this wonderful, well, it's tuna. The tuna everybody loves, right? Then, fruit mix. I make mixed fruit pies for Christmas. I'm going to show you guys that. They're wonderful. Really wonderful. Then we've got some pasta. I've got, of course, 2 boxes of the macaroni and cheese. And those who do not know, I don't use the packet inside. I just use the pasta because this has way too much salt. Okay? Got a bag of penne pasta. I could make a wonderful dish with this, with Italian sausage, but have you ever tried it with Alfredo? It's really good. Chicken and Alfredo sauce with this pasta? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now let's jump over here. I've got some of the knockoff Rice Krispies. It's crispy rice. But this stuff is so good. I'm telling you, I made my Rice Krispie treats with this. I've been making my cereal with this. Delicious. I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter Rice Krispie cookies with this. And they're no bake. They're just like candies. They're wonderful. Little candy balls with peanut butter and honey covered with these Rice Krispies. Oh, I'm going to show you that. Show you that for Christmas. I call them the little snowballs. They're so cute. We got a bag of potatoes. I'm also going to do some either mashed potatoes or scalloped potatoes. I haven't made up my mind yet. But I'm definitely doing a nice potato dish. Then back here we got some corn muffin mix. And I've got some cornbread already made. We'll probably eat this tonight. This is nice. Because I got some people coming by. Then I've got some sugar cookies. Jay is going to eat these till he drops. I've got some unsweetened applesauce. I have fallen in love with this stuff. It is so good. And you would think that you wouldn't like it, but apples are naturally sweet. And I think actually the unsweetened tastes better than that one with all the sugar. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Now we've got some long grain rice. Did you know you can make rice stuffing for Christmas? You can make dirty rice stuffing. That is so good. A little spicy, but it's very good. Oatmeal. Love oatmeal. Christmas morning, oatmeal and bacon is wonderful. Wonderful. Or you can make oatmeal cookies. Because here, we got some raisins. I could do some holiday cookies with those. In fact, I'm going to ask Miss Brenda to do them. We did Krampus, and it was so much fun. So much fun. Now, we've got some grapes. Now, these are seedless, and I usually do not do the seedless grapes, but I'm not going to waste them. Not going to do that. Got 2 bags of them. Then here, I've got some pistachios. I wonder what Miss Brenda can do with these. I bet she can do something really good with them. I'm going to see. We got some golden split peas. I can make some golden split pea soup. Oh, yeah, that would be so nice. Oh, there goes my refrigerator. It hums a lullaby. Then we got some eggs. You know what? This is liquid gold because you all see the price of eggs is jumping up again. Yes, they're just slowly just sneaking it up. Let me take a look. Oh, these look great. Yeah. Not a broken one. Love them. I'm going to show you all. I'm going to make a Christmas quiche. Miss Brenda is having a Christmas brunch, and I'm going to bring a quiche. I'm going to do one with bacon and one with seafood. Yep. We got 2 packs of turkey gravy mix. Now, I may use one of these, but I'm going to use it to make a large thing of gravy. It'll just be an addition to the gravy drippings I make from home. Because this does have a good amount of salt in it. But if I use a large enough thing, this will be okay. Now, speaking of turkey, we got some frozen turkey, 85% lean, 15% fat. Now, I've told you, you need that fat in the turkey so it won't be dry and it'll taste good. Then we've got some loin chops. Oh, these are wonderful. I think I'll have these tonight for dinner, along with the greens and the cornbread down there. And I'm also going to have a pork loin roast for Christmas. Then we have a turkey breast. That's nice. You could do this for Christmas instead of a whole turkey. I love these things for casseroles. Love them. And then, last but not least, we've got some Alaskan pollock. Fish fillets. These are nice. Soak these in buttermilk, fry them, or have you ever tried them with white wine? Yeah, and some garlic and butter. Oh my goodness. You can also do that with the pork loins. Yeah. Let's get a good pan of everything we got. I think I did pretty good today. Now, of course, a lot of this is not going to be kept by me. The turkey breast I'm giving to someone who requested that already, and I've got some more canned goods over here I'm going to give to someone else. And I've got a food pantry run coming up. I've also got a wonderful recipe for the holidays that is going to be coming up tomorrow. And I want to thank Samantha. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I want to say the special thanks to Karen. You are the #1 commenter this month. Thank you so much. I love when you guys write to me. And speaking of which, I do want you to write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. Let me know if you just want to chit and chat, or if you need some recipes, or if you need some food. Let me know. Guys, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, speaking of food, if you guys are cooking or putting up lights, send me your pictures. I'm going to have a special episode where I feature everyone's lights and food pictures, and then we're going to go around Chicago and look at all the lights that are being put up and things that are shown and all the beautiful decorations. I think you guys are going to really like that. At least I hope so. We'll see. All right. Till tomorrow. Big love from Uncle Chris. Bye-bye.